Moi non,
Oui.
Dominique,
Et vous habitez où?
Brugge.
Et on voudrait savoir comment vous avez su qu'il y aura un programme comme ça sur le tibétain. Vous avez su?
Non, c'est bon.
Non, je veux dire, comment vous avez appris qu'il y aura ce programme aujourd'hui?
Oui.
Vous avez appris sur Internet?
Oh, oui, Facebook.
Facebook?
Oui, oui.
Et qu'est-ce que vous pensez sur les Tibétains? Enfin,
Oh, I am very interested for the Tibetan people,
okay.
for the culture, Dalai Lama, Buddhism, all these things Tibetan.
Okay, and did you like the Tibetan tea?
Yes, 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 yes. Champa,
Tamba?
Mumu,
Okay.
yes, very.
Have you ever been to Tibet?
No, but 1 year ago I stayed in Ramsala
Okay.
in November. Yeah, it's a nice time.
What do you think of Tibetan people? Are they different from other people? Or?
Yes, 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 it's different. Peaceful people. Yeah.
Firstly, I would like to know your name and where you live.
I'm Sabine and I live in Watervliet. It's in the Flemish part of Belgium, near the Dutch, the border with the Netherlands.
And how did you know this program was going to be held today?
Well, it's Dennis' work. And then he put it on Facebook, so every friend of Dennis knew it. And then I let my friends know it by Facebook and by email. So we came with.
Okay, and what do you think? Like when you came, what do you think now? Like something new about this?
Yeah, it's. I like it very much. I was very enjoyed by everything. Also the typical Tibetan simple daily thing, that's making the tea and the tsampa, which I like very much, was very interesting, and yeah, really very good idea to do this. It opened the world for us. Yeah.
And have you ever been to Tibet?
No, not yet. No.
Would you?
It's a bit. I'm doubting because one part of me wants to go to Tibet to see how Tibet is, but the other part in me says, "Oh, it's so horrible." And in a way, when I go in Tibet, I support the tourism, so I support the Chinese way of treating the people. It's very double. Yeah.
Tout d'abord, je voudrais savoir votre nom et où vous habitez.
Alors, je m'appelle Francesco Taibi, je suis de nationalité italienne et j'habite à Évre, Bruxelles.
Et comment vous avez su qu'il y aura ce programme aujourd'hui?
Parce que je fais partie de l'association Light on Tibet et voilà, et donc on est au courant de tout ce qui se passe au niveau tibétain et voilà. Donc
Est-ce que vous avez amusé aujourd'hui et qu'est-ce que vous pensez?
C'était très intéressant, c'était très bien monté, très bien présenté. Non, c'était assez intéressant dans les différentes manières de présenter la culture.
Est-ce que vous avez aimé la nourriture et le thé tibétain?
Mais la nourriture, je la connais déjà bien, donc on l'apprécie déjà. C'est vrai que le thé tibétain, c'est quelque chose que moi personnellement, j'apprécie pas trop. Non.
Parce qu'il y a beaucoup de beurre ou du sel?
Oui, c'est une question de... Voilà. Mais je sais que d'autres l'apprécient.
Et est-ce que vous avez déjà été au Tibet?
Moi personnellement pas, mais j'ai une amie qui a été 3 fois au Tibet et peut-être qu'un jour ça se fera, oui.
Merci. Merci beaucoup. Name and where you live.
My name is Giel and I live in Watervliet, Belgium.
And how did you know this program was going to be held today?
On Facebook. Yes.
And did you like it? Did you like the food and everything?
Yes. The food was very good.
And did you enjoy?
Yes.
Okay, and have you ever been to Tibet or?
No.
Never?
No.
And would you like to go?
Yes.
think Tibetan people are different from Belgian people or something?
Yes.
You think? Why?
Yes.
Like in what?
Another language and everything.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Tibetan friends?
One, yes.
Yeah?
No, it's a big one.
That's a big one. Okay.